Today we're going to show how to cook a very simple breakfast. This thing is ridiculously priced. You go to a restaurant and buy it up to $12, $15, $18. It's going to be very simple. Hash browns, green peppers, onions, 1 egg, spices, seasoning. I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself for less than $1. Make this at home. Nothing's magic. It looks simple and it is very simple. Let's get going. First, going to use 1 potato, spices, 1 mushroom, slice of green pepper, a slice of yellow onion, and my favorite for garnish, always a habanero. Plus, we'll have 2 slices of bacon. Let's turn the pan on and let's get this thing rolling. Start with 1 fresh potato. Let's peel it. Gotta grate your potato. Very careful on your fingers. Always watch your fingers. Usually grate inside the pan here. These are moist and juicy. While we're doing that, we're going to start our bacon crisping. Wash the potatoes. You want to use cold water on this, don't use hot. Very simple. Rinse them around. Make sure all the water's out. Make sure water runs clear. This will give you a good crispy potato. Very simple. Tell the spinner on. Put the lid on. Rinse the water out. These are good to go. These are nice and dry. It'll make some good hash browns. Let's go back to the pan and finish this. Now we got our bacon going or frying. Let's take the bacon off. We're going to add in the hash browns, get them cooked. In the meantime, we'll cut up our vegetables. A little bit of oil, and there goes the hash browns. Very simple, very easy. All right. Cut up our green pepper. Onion. And our mushroom. These are ready to go. Let's let the hash browns cook down for a little while. Almost forgot the bacon. Hash browns are turning, well, brown. Like I said, this is very simple, very easy. You can do it yourself at home. The entire meal is going to cost around $1. When you buy hash browns in a restaurant, they're not fresh. They come dehydrated. They come in a gallon box. They add water to them. They let them sit out there. They rehydrate them. If you could see these things, what they really look like, you'd be surprised. You would probably never eat one again. We went yesterday to the store, looked at hash browns. They're already shredded, already frozen. Almost $6 for a bag. That's crazy. You can do this yourself. Let's put out all the ingredients in. Bacon, mushrooms, green pepper. Stir them around. And a little bit more oil. You need the oil to get the hash browns crisp. Not the oil, you just steam them. That's one reason why you get the water off. That's why you want to take all the water out, because if you don't, they'll just be steamed. You want these crisp and tasty. Now let's add some seasoning salt. Using our favorite tenders, all-purpose. A little bit of sea salt. And a little bit of black pepper. That's it for the spices. Now we're going to cook one egg. We're going to put it on top along with some shredded cheese, and they'll be ready to eat. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? Add the shredded cheese. Looks good. All right. Now for one egg. Let our pan heat up over here. One egg, one pro tip. Break the egg into a container or a bowl. That way it'll come out better and cleaner. And look a lot prettier. Let's go cooking spray. We're using Pam, but any kind will work. Into the egg. Meantime, while the egg's cooking, we'll cut up our habanero. Gotta have the habanero. There you go. Flip the egg. Look at that. Gorgeous looking. More flip, make sure it's done. Goes on top. Add a little bit of garnish. And this thing is ready to eat. Hash browns with a fried egg, habaneros, green peppers, onions, mushrooms, and bacon. This is going to be delicious. Hang on, we'll finish plating this thing up here. We'll come back and try it and let you know how it is. See you on the other side. Well, what do you think? A $12 to $15 to $18 breakfast for under $1. You guys gotta try this. This is very easy to do, very simple, and there's nothing to it. Cooking isn't magic. Cooking is very simple when you know what you're doing. Follow simple directions and learn how to cook for yourself. In the long run, you'll be healthier. You know what's going in there, and it'll be a lot more flavorful. Plus, you can control the ingredients and the flavors that go in there also. So keep that in mind. And as always, if you like this video, share the video with others, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. And I'm going to eat. Oh, look at that yolk. Good stuff. Too big a bite as usual. Better than any restaurant you're run into. If you try this, let us know in the comment section. If you have any variations, let us know that too. We're trying to build a community where we can put people together and we can help each other learn to live better, healthier, and less money on a budget. See you next time. Bye again.